I wanted to send my condolences on the death of your son, Danny. I think about that day a lot, as I'm sure you do too. I might have been going too fast, and that's one thing I thought you should know. I'm not sure, but I might have been. It's a 30 zone, and I may have been going 33 or 32. I would usually look down to check, and if I was a little bit over, then I'd slow down, obviously. But I don't remember checking on your block, so I might have been going too fast. And then that dog ran out really quick, and I swerved to avoid him, not knowing, obviously. Anyway, that's something I thought you should know. I might have been a little over the limit. I can't be positive either way. Yes, my friend, it's raining again today. I never understood why you chose to stay in a climate that's mostly wet and gray, when what you loved was a sun so hot it turned the green grass brown, and the rain keeps falling down. I thought the sky would cry itself dry by this time. Thought that I would see the sun by now. One more tear might wash away this God-forsaken town, but the rain keeps falling down. Who am I? A regular kind of guy. I never let the clouds clutter up my sky. Learn to party, but never learn to cry. And even now my tears won't move. They're painted on a cloud. And the rain keeps falling down. Wish that I could let go like a storm cloud. Burst through a dam like a flood breaking down a wall. Heaven seems to weep in far less reason, but I can't cry at all. Thought the sky would cry itself dry by this time. Thought that I would see the sun by now. One more tear might wash away this God-forsaken town, but the rain keeps falling down. Yes, the rain keeps falling down.